Hey guys! I'm going to show you how to change from text to speech. For that, we are going to use an application called Balabolka. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get started. Click on the link in the description to get to this page. Then click on Download and Install. This is Balabolka. Let's type in something.
Hey, how are you?
You can modify the rate.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
You can modify the pitch too.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
And finally the volume. You can modify the voice, be it a male or female.
Hey, how are you?
Now let's convert it to an audio file. You can choose which type of audio file you want it to be.
Hey, how are you?
You can get more voices on the internet. Click on Use Online TTS Services. These are the various websites where you can find the voices. Let's try IBM Watson. To begin, you will need to copy the text you want to convert to speech and paste in this large box, then locate the already saved audio file. Then choose the voice you want.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
You can also play the audio file here.
Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you?
If this was helpful to you, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.